Bro, what's that stupid fucking family there with Eddie Monster and them motherfuckers like vampires and mummies and shit? The Jeffersons. Nah, bro. The Simpsons? The Addams family. Corny. That's what they say. Yeah. They say roses are red, violets are blue, so everything they say ain't true. They say an apple a day keeps a doctor away. Yeah, is that true today? They say what goes up must calm down, so when his anger flares up, you better not be around. And they also say the Lord works in mysterious ways. Woo, give a fuck what they say. Say the word love, now spell it backwards. So why does it look like a Hebrew word? Say the word evil, spell it backwards. To be alive is to live, ask Tweety birD. They claim the devil was created by God, but not knowing God, they don't really find odd. They say practice what you preach, even though perpetuating lies is the wrong way to teach. You won't know until you walk in another man's shoes. A faggot saying a dick plus a penis adds up to twos. You can't buy love and that's a song, meaning everything they buy is completely wrong. You can't go to heaven with all your money, so they worship hell on earth. Now that's funny. Think with your head, not with your heart. Unless your brain is in your chest, that's a weird place to start. They say roses are red, violets are blue, so everything they say ain't true. They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Yeah, is that true today? They say what goes up must calm down, so when his anger flares up, you better not be around. They also say the Lord works in mysterious ways. Woo, give a fuck what they say. Honor your father and your mother. So Christ says love your brother. Patience is a virtue. Haha, propping up the word love with the word true. Mind your own business. That's why Christ and I can't keep a true witness. It costs you nothing just to pay attention. That's why TV never tells a vision. Oil and water don't mix. That's why you rinse your chicken and clean your fish. Stick to the basics, man, please. Making up a phrase with the ABCs. Watch this. Haste makes waste. So an old person must have made a lot of mistakes. You can't judge a book by its cover. And with your wrinkle poetry, I can't be your lover. They say roses are red and violets are blue, so everything they say ain't true. They say an apple a day keeps a doctor away. Yeah, is that true today? They say what goes up must calm down, so when his anger flares up, you better not be around. They also say the Lord works in mysterious ways. Woo, give a fuck what they say. Na 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 boo boo, na 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 boo boo, na 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 boo boo. Ha 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 ha. God laughs. The son of laughter too.